Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this is the video you all are waiting for. This is our ultimate scalping strategy. I have been backtesting this strategy for a month and it gives insane result. So ये स्कैल्पिंग स्ट्रेटजी सभी डे ट्रेडर्स के लिए है जो कि बैंक निफ्टी और निफ्टी और बाकी किसी भी फॉरेक्स मार्केट क्रिप्टो मार्केट में इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग करना चाहते हैं और स्कैल्पिंग करना चाहते हैं. This strategy has a win rate of over 80%. 80% से ऊपर एक्यूरेट है ये स्ट्रेटेजी. प्लस इसका जो रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रेशियो है वो भी 1:3 से 1:8 तक के बीच में है. ठीक है ना. तो ये स्कैल्पिंग स्ट्रेटेजी आपकी लाइफ चेंज कर सकती है. तो मैं आपको इस स्कैल्पिंग स्ट्रेटेजी का स्टेप बाय स्टेप ब्रेकडाउन देने के लिए तैयार हूँ. लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर अल्टीमेट स्कैल्पिंग स्ट्रेटेजी. सिंपल कुछ नहीं करना है. स्कैल्पिंग के लिए हमको दो टाइम फ्रेम यूज करना है. एक है 5 मिनट, एक है 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम. हम सबसे पहले जाएंगे 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे और वहां पे हम अपने की सपोर्ट जोन्स आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. सपोर्ट लेवल्स, रेजिस्टेंस लेवल्स, डिमांड एरिया, सप्लाई एरिया, ऑर्डर ब्लॉक्स. तो जैसे कि आपको दिख रहा है मैं बिल्कुल रीसेंट बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट ओपन करके रखूं. बिल्कुल रीसेंट. हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले हम 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे जाएंगे. 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे जाके हम की एरियाज आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. तो अभी मैं 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे हूँ. तो इसमें आपको की एरियाज कौन कौन से दिख रहे हैं. ये एक की एरिया है. इफ यू कैन गाइस सी, दिस इज ऑल्सो एन की एरिया. उसके बाद ये एक की एरिया है क्योंकि यहाँ से काफी अच्छा डिमांड आया था. ठीक है ना. फिर दिस वन इज अ सप्लाई एरिया हियर, डिमांड एरिया. ओके. बट अब आप देखेंगे कि इस सब के बाद ये जो है काफी ज्यादा मैसी हो गया है. तो हम क्या करेंगे ना, हम 200 से 300 प्राइस रेंज के बीच में या फिर 500 प्राइस रेंज के बीच में अगर आपको यहाँ पे ज्यादा नॉइज दिख रही है तो हम वो वाले एरियाज को नेग्लेक्ट कर देंगे. जैसे ये वाला एरिया जो है हम इसको अभी के लिए नेग्लेक्ट कर देंगे. ठीक है. रिमेंबर, the less you trade, the more accurate trade you are going to get, and the more accurate trade you are going to get is more money you will make. Okay. तो अभी हमको ये की एरियाज यहाँ पे मिल चुके हैं. Now what we'll do, we'll jump onto 1 minute time frame and we'll see our price reactions from these levels. Okay. So let's start from the beginning. Let's say market is here and you have identified your level in 5 minute time frame already. Now market has already punched into our key level. Let's say in 5 minute time frame market has entered our level, this level. So what we'll do, we'll deep dive into our 1 minute time frame and we'll look for entries. ठीक है ना. So now entries के लिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्या करना है. ठीक है. Entries के लिए we'll see this type of candle. Okay. Shooting star, if you can see, this is a shooting star candle. We'll look for this type of candle. So actually what this candle means, this candle means buyers are trying to push price higher all the way up to this, but then sellers came in and then they take down the price from this range back again to where it was opened. So this is our first reason to enter. After that we want some more confluence, as in after this we wanted a red candle after it. So this is our red candle after it, and as soon as this red candle breaks we'll take our entry. Okay. So this is our entry point. As soon as the low of this candle break, we'll take our entry. Okay. So अगर आप देखेंगे we have come down below the low of this candle in this candle. Okay. So अब हम एंट्री लेंगे. ठीक है. तो एंट्री के लिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ. एंट्री अब जैसे ही ये कैंडल क्लोज होगी ना आप एंट्री ले लेंगे, ऑब्वियस सी बात है. ठीक है. तो इस कैंडल की क्लोज पे हम यहाँ पे एंट्री लेते हैं. सॉरी, इट वाज 52 शॉर्ट प्रोजेक्शन. ठीक है. एट द क्लोज ऑफ दिस कैंडल विल टेक द एंट्री. यहाँ से हम एंट्री लेंगे and our stop loss will be above this candle, okay, or above this candle, whichever you like according to your risk management and all. I would go for here. I would go for here if this candle was small. This candle is already big. We'll go up here, and then what we'll do? We'll target our next zone, which we already drawn. Okay, this is the zone which we already drawn. Okay, from here, if you see, this is the zone we would have already drawn in our 5-minute time frame. If you go to our 5-minute time frame, this is the zone we have already drawn before coming here. This is the zone we would have already drawn. Okay, so we'll target that zone. And if you don't want to target that zone also, that is not the problem. See, if you will let it run, you would have targeted that zone. But now let's say you don't want to target that zone. We are only in a scalping phase, so you wanna get in and get out quickly. So I tell you, you should at least go for 1:2 for the first one. So this is our 1:2 risk reward. If you will, if you would have asked me, I would have set the stop loss above this candle here, somewhere here, and then I would take the profit at 1:2. So best way to scalp is take the profit at 1:2. Then what I would do, I would let my another partial profit I'll book here. I would let run this trade till 1:4. Okay, these are the two places I book my profit, 1:2 and then 1:4. After 1:4, you can book all your profit or you can let go of trade and let's see where it would go, because you would already see we would have a good amount of supply area and demand area here. So this is the kind of area which the price will react to and which the price will target. So we would have waited till here, but if you see, this didn't hit our, this would hit our stop loss here. But if you see once, this is our another entry. Okay, so if you'd taken this trade, you would get 1:4 risk reward, I think, which is very good in a scalping trade. Even 1:2 is very good for the scalping trade. So this is the first trade you would have taken. Okay, but now if you see, this is the another trade you would get in the same area with the same reason. See, these reasons which we draw, these reasons are actually hypothetical reasons which we draw according to what price react. So these are basically depends on user to user how you would see them, how you would draw them. Okay, so if you would have drawn a little bit down, which is also possible, doesn't matter. You, these zones will work as like how many times you let them touch. See, these zones are very typical zones. I'll tell you. See, if your zone will touch multiple times, right? If these price legs will touch your zones multiple time, the more prominent your zone becomes, it is more likely that price will react to that zone. So the number of times these price spikes will touch your zone, the zone will become more prominent and then price will react to it. Okay, so this is another trade you would have gotten if you would see. So on the same day, if you see, this is the another trade you would get here. Same entry, same stop loss. If you see, we'll see this is a red candle. Now we'll see for more confluences because this is not our shooting star and all candle. Okay, so we'll look for three continuous red candles. Three continuous red candles. Why? Because then we'll see this is a shift in momentum. Okay, so as soon as that third candle's low will break, we'll take the entry. This candle, our third candle low is broken in this candle. Okay, now if you see, this is also an order block. So this is also in confluence. This is an inside candle. Inside candle always acts as an order block. Okay, so this, what does this mean? This means that buyer is coming into the market, but they are not in control. They are not in control to move market in the other direction. So this acts as a fuel to sellers. They see there are no buyers and then they push the market down. So if you see at the close of this candle, we would have taken the entry. Our entry will be same. at the close of this candle we would have taken the entry, and our stop loss will be above this candle, and 1 is to 2 our first take profit, and then we'll book our partial profit and let our trade run to our 1 is to 4 level. So this is also a clear hit. Okay, so these are the two trades I showed you. Now this is the next level we have drawn in our 5-minute time frame. Okay, so this is the reason where we wanted to take the trade if the prices would react, and then we wanted to go up higher, but instead price disrespected this level. Okay, so once the price disrespected this level, that means we are in a downtrend, because I'll tell you in downtrend what happens. In downtrends, basically, if you see this is a downtrend, these are lower lows. Lower lows are meant to be broken in downtrend. So that's why we know now we are in a downtrend in 1 minute time frame. So these lower lows are meant to be broken. So that's why we didn't take this trade also. Okay. So now, but the other thing what happens in downtrend is whatever these previous lower lows are, these are to be respected. If we want to be in downtrend going continuously, we want this lower lows and lower highs to be respected. If the price will break above this lower high, then it will become uptrend. Okay, so we want this not to be broken. If you come here now, here it's a simple same scenario. Okay, here why we will take the trade? I tell you, we want already told you we want three candles in negative direction, three red candles. So if you can see this, we can say it is a three negative candle because it's a mechanical rule. If I see three candles close below each other, doesn't matter, they could come alternatively, but we want three candles to be close below. Okay, these three candles should be closed below each other. Okay, this means this candle closed here, this candle closed, this candle closed here, and now this candle, third candle closed here. Clearly every candle closed below each other, so these are the inside. I already told you these inside candles act as a fuel. These inside candles act as a fuel. So now you would have taken the entry according to our this thing, according to our game plan. You would have taken the entry. Okay, by mistake I did clear everything. Okay, sorry. At the after this low to be broken, if our candle closes below this low, we would take the entry, correct? So in this candle, our low is broken, we close below, we will take the entry. Now, if you see, you can put it here or put it here according to your risk. If you put it here, you can easily get 1 is to 2 here, and even you can get 1 is to 7 and 1 is to 8. That's why I'm telling you this strategy works so well in the market. This is the ultimate scalping strategy you will ever find. So now we have seen the bullish examples. If you bearish examples, sorry, if you go for the bullish examples, I can exactly show you those also. We are getting this trade here. If you see, we wanted three candle to close. If you see in a bullish trend or a bullish move, we want what we want. We want three candles to close above each other. You see, this is a very big move to the upside. So this is the first high of the first bullish candle. This candle also closed above this, and now you can see this is the third candle which closed above. Okay, now here if you can see, you can go into a trade after this. Okay, 1 2 3. After this, if you go into the trade here, okay, so we are in short position. So now if you can see, if you would target here, see this is now basically confluence of character. Here if you can see, we are in a downtrend, but we are taking the opposite trade. So with the opposite trade, that's why you need to risk your manage properly. If you would say this trade, you would have gotten the profit, but at last you would have hit your stop loss. Okay, so how you can save your stop losses in scalping? See, this is also a good trade. If you would have taken it 1 is to 6, you would have taken it. Okay. But if you are telling me that how can I enter? How would I know that this is not going to continue? So first I told you this is a downtrend. You should not trade in an uptrend. So if you see after this move, this is a very big shooting star candle. And also after this shooting star candle, market tried so many times to go up this, but it didn't. Instead, it closed below this. Okay, it closed below this. That means you would have stopped here only. If after stopping here, you would have gone for the short trade, which I have already told you. Okay, so this is the strategy. You will win at least 80 to 85% of the time. Sometimes you will be stopped hitting stop loss. I just wanted to show you the example where how you could cope up with the trade which went wrong in your direction. Because see, you will go on YouTube and check every strategy 90% win rate, this percent win rate, but every strategy has a flaw. Okay, so you just need to cope up with that flaw and see the direction which you are going to get the profit. So every strategy is profitable, but you need to cut down your losses when you are in a losing trade. Every strategy will not win 100% of the time. Every strategy will fail sometime. This is one example where it slightly failed, you can say, or it failed. I would not say it would work or this and that. I can accept it. This fails. Every strategy fails. This is not the problem. But if you are getting 80 to 90% of the win rate and you are cutting down your losses, you will be in profit at the end of the month. So this is the ultimate scalping strategy I have developed. I am working on making it up to 90 to 95%. I am backtesting it. Please hit subscribe, like, and I'll try to give you the result of this strategy and the strategy I'm developing so that you can be profitable trader. Hit the subscribe button, hit like and share this video as much as possible so that your friends, fellow mates, family members, everyone can make money. Thank you.